The ZONESUN ZS-TB70DM is a compact, fully automatic palletizing and bundling labeling machine designed for high-speed packaging lines, such as neat stacking of packs like wet wipes. Operating at 20 to 28 bundles per minute, it features a dual-channel structure with dual conveyors and high-speed dual robotic grippers, enabling simultaneous left-right operation for maximum throughput. The system automatically distributes products into 2 lanes, clamps 2 packs per cycle, stacks them according to preset layers, and transfers the completed bundle to downstream processes such as labeling, sealing, shrink wrapping, or logistics handling. Equipped with a double-side labeling machine, confluence belt, and intelligent control panel, it ensures stable, accurate, and efficient palletizing for modern production environments.